Good day, I'm Dr. Ting. In this video clip, we are going to look at PSPP GUI, how we can insert data, and we're going to perform a basic frequency analysis. This is your PSPP GUI, and there are two tabs at the bottom here, the data view and variable view. In the data view, you are going to view your records here, and each of these columns representing your variables, which you are going to create it inside your variable view. And inside the data view, each of these rows represent a record in your data set. Let's take a look at variable view. In order to create a variable, you can give it a unique name. The type of the variable, for example, a string or a numeric. The width is representing the number of characters that is going to be used for your data. For example, if you have a string and you only allow 10 characters, then you put 10 here. Decimal, this is a decimal number that you are going to set for number. Label is representing the description of your variable, and normally we will put a question here. It can be a sentence. Value labels will be used to represent your value of your variable or value of each of the data. We are going to use it again. Missing values means that you are going to define a default value. If let's say you have a missing value, then it will be automatically filled in with this default value. Columns is representing the width of the column that is to be used to view your variable in your data view. You can set the alignment to the left alignment or right alignment or center alignment. Measurement is representing the measurement level, whether it is a nominal or ordinal or scale level. Let's try to create a variable. And let's say we are going to collect demographic data from the respondents. And this is a very basic demographic data that we are going to collect. We are going to collect gender, and the type will be string type. So we're going to choose string. Okay. Then the width will be 8 is okay. Decimal 0, we're not going to use decimal. Label, you can include the questionnaire question. For example, respondents gender. And for value label, double click on it and you can set the value. For example, for male, I'm going to represent it by using 1. And for female, I'm going to represent it by using 2. Click OK. Non-missing value, no, nothing. Okay, and then you can also double click and look at no missing value. That means we are not allowed any missing value. Column, add column to represent or to view it in the data view. The column width, align right. It should be a nominal scale. Input type. So that's how you can create your variable. And when you switch to the data view, you'll be able to see gender here, and you can start to insert your data. Now, when you insert the data, you'll be able to see that when I insert female, it will be represented by number 2. When you click here, you'll be able to see that male is represented by 1. There is another way for you to key in your data. Let's say when you click on 1 and enter, automatically you will see male. If you put 2 and enter, automatically you will see female. And if you want to see male and female to be represented in the number, go to view and click on value labels. Then you should be able to see this 2111, 22112. By using the value labels, I can quickly create the data and insert it into PSPP less than 1 minute, and I have more than 100 rows of data. Let's try to analyze this set of data. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistic and Frequencies. Select this variable into the column and you can select all the different kinds of items that you want to perform or analyze. Then go to charts, and you'll be able to see that you can draw histogram, or you can draw bar chart, or draw pie charts, and continue. Click OK. Then you'll be able to see the output of your data analysis. You have a respondent gender table here with the percentage of your respondent, the 2 representing female, in which you have 54, and male you have 57. This is the bar chart, and also the pie chart representing your variable. You can also output this result by using export or print it. Click export, click on desktop, the place that you want to save this. Give it a name, say this is a report. Then choose the file extension. If you want to save it as text file, or you want to save it as PNG or PDF file, click save. Then go to the file, report.pdf. Then you should be able to see your report in PDF format. That's all for this video clip. Thank you for your attention.